It's time. Okay. Hello. Are you ready? Yes. Yes. Okay, good. Next, can you please introduce yourself? Allow me. Allow me to introduce. Allow me to introduce. Okay. What grade are you in? Grade 6. How old are you? Okay, and you're, how are you today? Oh, hungry, okay. Okay. Next, so let's proceed now so we can eat after this. Okay. Here, can you please read? Okay, what day is today? Today is Wednesday, that's correct. What about yesterday? What day was yesterday? Tuesday, that's correct. What about tomorrow? Tomorrow will be? Tomorrow will be Thursday, that's correct. Now let's talk about the weather. Can you please read? House. Okay, how's the weather today? It's cloudy, that's correct. Okay, next, let's talk about the months of the year. Can you read these?
Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October,
Okay, what month is this month?
August.
It's August, that's correct. Okay, next, who is she? Mother. What's her name? Claire. What's her name? Okay, next, who is he? Father. What's his name? Stephen. Okay, good. Next, what's her name? Emma. Who is she? Sister. Okay. Who is he? Brother. What's his name? What's his name? He is Alex. What's his name? Okay, good. Next. Who are they? Parents. What about them? Children. What about them? Family. Next. Friend. Who is he? Friend. Who is he? Friend. Who is he? He is a friend. Okay, good. Next. Who is she? Neighbor. Okay, next. Who is she? Okay, how about him? Uncle. Teacher. Cousins. Correct. Next, it would be the soft C and hard C. How do you say the soft C? S. How do you say the soft C? Soft C is S. Hard C is G. Can you please read?